The problem of Pakistan is it is not a democratic country. मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना ने बनाया पाकिस्तान, वो बन गया जनरल्स की दुकान. That is the situation of Pakistan. Munir, general, who was defeated in the field but became a field marshal. That is the whole scenario. That Daniel Pearl, that journalist, many journalists are sitting here and watching. It was slit. And you will be happy to know that the terrorist who slit his neck has been slit by the missiles of India in this attack. My fellow Indians, आपको एक बात हम साफ बता दें, भारत पाकिस्तान को ठीक करने के लिए काफी है, okay? What is the problem of Pakistan? The problem of Pakistan is it is not a democratic country. मैं हिंदी में बताना चाहूंगा, मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना ने बनाया पाकिस्तान, वो बन गया जनरल्स की दुकान. That is the situation of Pakistan. The second thing very important is people, leaders make the country. There, the Pakistan armed forces have made a country, Pakistan, for themselves. Unelectable, not accountable, not popular sanction, but they seize power. Ayub Khan, Field Marshal for 10 years. Mr. Yahya Khan for 7.5 years. Mr. Ziaul Haq for 11 years. General Musharraf for 9 years. Now you have Munir, general, who was defeated in the field.
भारत के बीजेपी के एमपी रवि शंकर प्रसाद जो कि बरतानिया में हैं, उन्होंने पाकिस्तान के हवाले से काफ़ी बातें की हैं और वहाँ पे वो पाकिस्तान को कह रहे हैं कि जनाब दहशतगर्दी को स्पॉन्सर करता है, जनरल्स की दुकानें हैं और इस तरह की बातें कि पाकिस्तान जनाब मांगता है. लेकिन सवाल ये नहीं है. सवाल ये है कि पाकिस्तान क्या भारत का मुकाबला नहीं करता रहा? क्या भारत के चीफ ऑफ डिफेंस स्टाफ ने ये नहीं कहा कि भारत की जो एयरफोर्स है वो 2 दिन के लिए नहीं उड़ सकी थी? तो भारत का मुकाबला, पाकिस्तान जब एयरफोर्स का मुकाबला होता है तो एयरफोर्स से किया जाता है. भारत पाकिस्तान से 6-7 गुना बड़ा है, आबादी में 8 गुना, तो इकोनॉमी भी बड़ी है. भारत को एडवांटेजेस भी हैं. भारत अमेरिका का पार्टनर है. हमें तो अमेरिका असला नहीं देता, आपको असला देता है. हमें तो चाइना से असला मिलता है. हम तो वहाँ पार्टनरशिप करते हैं. तो देखना यह है कि ये जो इंटरनेशनल कम्युनिटी के सामने भारत पाकिस्तान का जो इमेज पेंट करने लगा है, इससे कुछ ज़्यादा नुकसान पाकिस्तान को नहीं होगा. उसकी वजह यह है क्योंकि ये जो डेलीगेशन गए हुए हैं, ये वहाँ पे लीडरशिप से लंबी चौड़ी मुलाकातें नहीं कर रहे. ये अपने लोगों से मिल के आ रहे हैं, डियास्पोरा से मिल के आ रहे हैं, अपनी एम्बेसी में इवेंट करते हैं. तो ज़्यादातर इनकी मुलाकातें वहाँ पे हो रही हैं.
The Prime Minister said enough is enough. On the 7th of May, Indian forces made a decisive blow to only terrorist outfit, Bawalpur, Muridke, Muzaffarabad. 100 terrorists were killed. Remember, this attack was unleashed at dead of night around 1:30 for 20 minutes only. No civilian casualty was there. In the morning, we informed the Pakistani establishment, रात में आपकी पिटाई की है, लेकिन खाली टेररिस्ट कैंप को ही पीटा है. Okay? No civilian has been touched at all. They did not respond. They attacked our skies, the cities through missile. And I want you to salute our Air Force and armed forces. They completely blocked all the missiles, completely paralyzed them. And thereafter, what happened? Then on the 10th, I would like our strategic expert to explain it in detail. There 10 to 11 strategic Air Force bases were smashed. And remember it, not even a single Indian plane crossed into the Pakistani territory. It was made in India BrahMos. It was made in India, Akash, which delivered a deadly blow. Yes, lot of Pakistan has started begging to America, to England, to other places. They rung up as friends do. It was said very clearly, if Pakistan has to talk, it must talk to us directly. And this talk must happen through interlocutors known as Director General of Military Operations. Then on the 10th they said, "Bhai ab ho gaya, hum ab band karenge." The message was conveyed very clearly. You stop fire, we stop fire. You continue to fire, we'll fire with deadly attack we want to convey to you. And what is the lesson of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji? One, talk and terror cannot go together. That's the first lesson he has given very clearly. What is the second one? Trade and talk cannot go together. Terror and talk cannot go together, and terror and trade cannot go together. And the third, if any terrorist attack is undertaken, it will be deemed as an instrument of war, because Pakistan has weaponized terror as an instrument of state policy. My friends and others, strategic expert, will explain in detail how the military state of Pakistan and terrorism distinction is blurred. Not only in India, friends, Mumbai was attacked, Parliament was attacked, Delhi was attacked, Kashi was attacked, Ahmedabad was attacked, in London, where metro was attacked or not. So we have called all the list, and in all these attacks, there is a very serious Pakistani angle, either a Pakistani origin or trained in Pakistan. 9/11 America, those gentlemen known as Osama bin Laden, where was he caught? You know it very well, no? In Pakistan, who unleashed the entire mayhem of Al-Qaeda and attack in New York. You remember that Daniel Pearl, that journalist, many journalists are sitting here and watching. It was slit. And you will be happy to know that the terrorist who slit his neck has been slit by the missiles of India in this attack. The terrorist who hijacked the plane to rescue Masood Azhar has also been killed. And Azhar Masood's two brothers, brother-in-laws, sisters, all have been killed. Why we are here? We are here to tell the world terrorism is a global cancer. It is inhuman, it is anti-democratic, it is anti-civilizational heritage. And the civilized world needs to come and talk together. And Pakistan, being the promoter, patron, the military establishment of Pakistan, must be made to pay a cost to it. That is what the world has to understand. That's where we have come. My fellow Indians, आपको एक बात हम साफ बता दें, भारत पाकिस्तान को ठीक करने के लिए काफ़ी है, ओके?
बिलावल भुट्टो जरदारी जो है वो इस वक्त यूएसए में है, और वो भी जारी बात है ये बताएंगे कि पाकिस्तान के अंदर किस तरह बलूचिस्तान के अंदर दहशतगर्दी हो रही है और भारत जो है वो प्रॉक्सीज को इस्तेमाल कर रहा है। मुझे लगता है कि अगला हफ्ता 10 दिन भारत और पाकिस्तान के जो डिप्लोमेटिक डेलीगेशंस हैं वो ग्लोबल कैपिटल्स में काफ़ी शोर मचाएंगे। लेकिन फिर बात तो वही आ गई कि इंडिया चाहता था डी हाइफनेशन, लेकिन अब हाइफनेशन हो चुकी हुई है। अब कश्मीर का जिक्र भी होगा, भारत और पाकिस्तान की बात भी होगी। जो इंडिया चाहता था कि इंटरनेशनल कम्युनिटी पाकिस्तान का जिक्र ना करे, अब वो ज़ाहिर बात है इंटरनेशनल कम्युनिटी को पाकिस्तान का भी जिक्र करना पड़ रहा है। हाइफनेशन भी हो गई है, भारत और पाकिस्तान और कश्मीर का जिक्र भी हो रहा है, तो पाकिस्तान इसको अपनी जीत समझ